Hi and welcome to another video on configuring virtual machines to see each other on a network. This tutorial is going to teach you about peer-to-peer network and ensuring that you take the correct steps so that they can see each other. First to begin, here you see I have my virtual box manager open, and these are the three operating systems that I'll be using: Windows 7, Vista, and Server 2008. So I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to open Server 2008. Here I will right click, Network and Sharing, and we are going to turn on Network Discovery. Click on Apply. Yes. We're going to turn on File Sharing. Turn on Public Folder Sharing. Turn off Printer Sharing. And we're going to turn off Password Protected Sharing. Apply. Next, what we'd like to do is to configure the IP address. In order to do that, we will click on Manage Network Connections, click on Local Area Connection, right click, go down to Properties, and we'll be looking for IPv version 4, which is the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it, then we'll click on Properties. At this point, you will see obtain an IP address automatically or use the following IP address. In this tutorial, we'll be using the IP address that we will be presenting. In here, we'll be typing in 192.168.0.1 as the IP address for the server. Our subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Our default gateway is the same as the IP address, which is 192.168.0.1, and our DNS server will be the same, 192.168.0.1, and we are going to click OK and close. Here, if you wish, you can close off the network connections box as well as the network and sharing center. You're going to click on Start, go to Computer, right click, come down to Properties, and we're going to click on Change Settings. Click on Change, and here you rename your PC. In this video, I'm going to name it Server 2008 and click on OK. Here, ask you to restart. OK. Now, while this machine is in the process of restarting, I'm going to minimize and go to the Vista machine. Here we would have turned on Network Discovery, File Sharing, Public Folder Sharing, turn off Printer Sharing, turn off Password Sharing, as well as Media Sharing. Go to Manage Network Connections, right click Local Area Connection, go down to Properties, continue, IPv4, Properties. Here we're going to type in yet another IP address, and this time we'll be using 192.168.0.2. Our subnet mask will remain the same, and our gateway will be the same as the server, which is 192.168.0.1. Our DNS server will also remain the same as the server, which is 192.168.0.1. 168.0.1, and we're going to click on OK and close. Next, we're going to come to Start, Computer, right click, come down to Properties, change settings, continue, change, and we're going to name this Vista. PC and click OK. You must restart, OK, close. So while that is restarting, we're going to go on to Windows 7 now. Same procedure, right click, open Network and Sharing, change Advanced Sharing Settings, ensure that Network Discovery is turned on, File and Printer Sharing is turned on, Public Folder Sharing is turned on. Well, media streaming, we don't need to interfere with that. File sharing connections, there's the properties to that. Password protected sharing, that has to be turned off. I'm going to save those changes. Then we're going to go to change adapter settings. Here we're going to configure our IP address again. Go to properties, IPv4, properties, use the following IP address, yet another IP address, 192.168.0.3. Subnet mask remains, and our default gateway as before will remain as the server, which is 192.168.0.1. Our DNS the same, 192.168.0.1. OK. Close. Click on Start. Go to Computer. Right click. Come down to Properties. Change Settings. Change. And we're going to change this to Windows 7 PC. So I already have that there. So you're going to close it, click OK, minimize. So basically what you would see is that we would have turned on each one of the operating systems, as you can see that are showing here. What we would have done is go into Network Discovery, File and Printer Sharing, Public Folder Sharing, and we would have turned those on. We would have turned off Password Protected Sharing. Then we would have configured the IP addresses, making sure that we ensure to keep the server IP address. Then we would have gone on Computer, Properties, and change the name of each one of the machines and ensure that we restarted each and every one of it. Now what we're going to do is go to each one of the operating systems. So we're going to go to Windows 7, right click, Settings, Network. We're going to put on Host Only Adapter. Ensure that it says VirtualBox Host Only Adapter, Intel Pro, Desktop, and Allow All. And we're going to click on OK. And we are going to do that for each and every one of them. So here we're just double checking to ensure that when we click on Network, Host Only Adapter, Intel Pro 1000, Empty Desktop, Allow All, OK. And our server, Settings, Network, host only adapter, and allow all. Okay, there you see we have ensured that each and every one of these network is set up properly. Right now, to ensure that all the machines can see each other, we will ping the machine. So we will go to server 2008. You can close off this. Okay, so now that the machine has restarted, we're going to click on start, go to the command prompt, and we're going to ping the machines to ensure that they are all seeing each other. So we're going to ping, loop back first, ping 127.0.0.1. So here you see the machine is pinging and you're getting a reply. There you see. Let's go again. ping. We're gonna ping 192.168.0.1. There you see you're getting a reply from that machine. I'm gonna ping again 192.168.0.2. Here you see, here you go again, ping 192.168.0.3. So there are my three machines that you are seeing that are pinging each other so that they are seeing. And here goes our tutorial on connecting virtual machines to see each other, or if you wish to say you have configured your virtual machines to see each other on a peer-to-peer network. Thank you for looking at my tutorial. I do hope you did learn something from it. And if you wish, you can click on Start, Network, and there you will see my machines all on the same network, and they can see each other as I've shown you before. Thank you.